Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a fruit. It supports immune health, aids digestion, and promotes healthy skin. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as rambutan, rambutan, ram, poo, tun, rambutan. An interesting fact about rambutan is that its name comes from the Malay word for hair, reflecting its unique, spiky skin. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about rambutan, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.